Dudes, what is up? It has been far, far too long. Much far too long. But finally able to get back in the garage and get some things done. As promised, told you guys I was doing a Kirkey seat install. Posted a picture yesterday because it looks awesome. Passenger's not in yet, but figured I wanted to show you guys the brackets that I decided to use. I kind of debated for a while on what to do. Thought about having American race cars build me some brackets, take the car over there, make them all custom and stuff. And I realized that was just, I don't want to waste their time on this thing. So, but also they make so many brackets out there that are already made and done. It's just easy just to buy them and be done with it, which is not that's not how this car usually works. Usually it's make something work, you know, but I figured this was somewhere where I could make my life a little easier. So the kit I bought from Jegs was 2 Kirkey seats, the 17-inch wide ones with covers, and it came with these brackets as well. Now, actually, yeah, so it'd be those brackets. Those are the brackets that it came with. It was a kit, 2 seats, the whole ordeal. And I thought I was going to be able to utilize those brackets. Wrong, very wrong. So that's when my wheels started turning and saying, all right, what can I do? Looked at Team Z, looked at Racecraft, looked at all them guys. All really nice pieces, super nice pieces. Just a little more than I wanted to spend for some seat brackets. Some cars probably is works out for them really well, but premise of this car and how I operate, I looked for cheaper options, and I found one. I think it works fantastic, and it's the Jegs seat bracket for Mustangs. I believe they're for 79 to 04. Yep, 79 to 04 Mustangs. Right there, part numbers there and everything. And as far as the height and everything, for me, I'm like 6'1". It's perfect. It almost puts me in the same place as what these did. These old seats that were in the car. Puts me at the same height, and it's the same distance I measured from the steering wheel to the back of the seat. It actually is the same distance, but what's different is the actual incline of the seat. So that positions me different in the car. I think it's a good thing. It actually makes it feel like I'm closer to everything. It's just something I'm gonna have to, get used to and everything. I'm gonna have a brace made for the back of the crossbar here. But outside of that, they're awesome. They're actually comfortable. I was really surprised of how comfortable they are when you sit in them. Like I said, I just gotta get used to where it has me in position of the car. But I think it's all positive. It's all good stuff. So, but that bracket, back to the bracket. The bracket that Jake sells is this thing right here. It's, if you can't put this together and figure it out, then sell your car. Okay, so really stupid simple. Stock locations. Okay, there's a little bracket here they make. It bolts in a stock location. Then this bolts to said bracket, and seriously, that's it. You're done. When I did the driver's seat, I made it a little harder on myself than I should have. The old saying, measure twice, cut once, or measure twice, drill once, or 4 times, whatever. Long story short, I drilled holes in the seat where I thought I wanted it to be, mounted the seat, and I was hugging the steering wheel because I'm an idiot. So instead of Swiss cheese in the seats, I actually drilled that bracket with the holes that I drilled in the seats, marked them, drilled the brackets, whatever. Done deal. We won't do that in this one. We'll measure 8 times if I have to. So, anyways, but that's that. That's the kit. A couple other things I want to show you. Oh, I want to put some new headlights in this thing. So, a lot of people are not fans of the one piece. I think that I didn't think I was for the longest time until I got a hold of these ones. Really think I like them. So yeah, so those are going in compared to what was there. My POS RTR wannabe looking marker lights or parking lights, whatever they are. Which if somebody wants those, I'll sell them to you for like 20 bucks. Case of beer, that'd be fine too. Anyways, that's it, guys. Nothing exciting today. Just super excited to get back in the garage, get things going, and maybe see. I literally got wires unhooked, and I don't even know why. I do have a label though. It does say tack. I should probably plug that back in, maybe. Anyways, that's it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna work on this passenger side, get this one done, and then hopefully weather stays good and we can get some track rentals in or something. And I know Renegade's running this year, super exciting. And I got my brother's truck. He's gonna be racing this year, super exciting. My dad's trying to get his car together, super exciting. And then a couple good buddies got their cars getting together. It's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned. We're gonna do some more videos. Hopefully once we get to the track and stuff, we can get some footage and actually have a little fun. And if I do anything any more exciting with this thing, you know a video is gonna pop up. So outside of that, it's just gonna be seats, check fluids, change oil, all that kind of stuff. Oh, I know something I'm doing. Change subject. The balancer that I put on this stock bottom end 302 is a professional products ordeal, okay? It was a cheap 50 ounce. I needed a 50 ounce balance because the one that I had on the 308 was a 28 ounce. This big old sumbitch here. It's actually an SFI unit, if you can see, called Pro Race. But anyway, I didn't know at the time that I could buy the weight from Pro Race to make it a 50 ounce. And I wish I had. And the only reason I say that is that, and I could be completely wrong on this. When this thing's at idle or it's at a low RPM, I can feel a little vibration. It's not much at all, but I feel a little vibration. When it's up in the higher RPMs going down the track, I don't notice anything. Now, a lot of people are probably going to say, well, don't worry about that then. Why you worry about it? It's just something in the back of my mind that bothers me. It's a stock bottom end. I'm already beating the balls out of it, trying to make this thing last a little bit, because I don't know what I'm going to do for an engine after this. I have a couple ideas, but whether or not they'll happen, I don't know. Anyways, so something I'd like to do, whether I don't know if it'll happen before I take it to the track or not, but something I'd like to do here shortly is I talked to Pro Race. Pro Race says, hell yes, we sell a 50 ounce weight for that balancer. You can buy it, you bolt it in, you're done. So I'd have to swap balancers out, which means the radiator would have to come out. And that could snowball too. I don't know. I need to put a shroud on that. So maybe there might be some cool install videos coming up. But yeah, that's it. And then hopefully that'll take care of that small vibration I've been talking about. So, or noticing and all that. But other than that, that's it, guys. I got nothing else. Stay tuned. Like I said, it's getting warmer out. Cars are going to start coming out. I think for sure we're going to definitely hit some car shows. A couple of us for sure. Try to enjoy ourselves this year, because we all know last year was a complete pile of crap. But stay tuned. Thanks, guys. That's it.